Hello friends, this is the exercise 2.4 of the chapter 2 fractions and decimals, in which we shall learn how to divide a whole number by a fraction, or a fraction by a whole number, or a fraction by another fraction, or a mixed fraction by a fraction, or a mixed fraction by another mixed fraction. Let us see the question number 1. Find 12 divided 3 by 4. Here 12 is dividend and 3 by 4 is divisor here. This is a whole number and this is a fraction. So this is a case of division of a whole number by a fraction. Let us proceed. We will write dividend as it is. Change this division sign into multiplication and then write the reciprocal of 3 by 4, that is 4 by 3. Now this problem reduces to the problem of a multiplication, where we multiply numerators and divide by the product of denominators. So here 12 into 4 becomes 48 and 3 into 1 we can write 1 here. So product of 3 into 1 is 3. This is an improper fraction which can be changed as whole number or mixed fraction as the case may be. Here 48 is divided by 3 gives 16. So when 12 is divided by 3 by 4, the result is 16. In the same way, 14 divided by 5 by 6 becomes 14 into 6 by 5. This is the reciprocal of 5 by 6. Now multiply the numerators and denominators. 14 6 ja 84 and 5 1 ja 5. We get an improper fraction which can be changed as mixed fraction as 16 4 by 5. In third part, 8 divided by 7 by 3 becomes 8 into 3 by 7. Then 8 into 3, 24, 7 1 ja 7. Changing this improper fraction as mixed fraction, we get 3 and 3 by 7. Next, fourth part, where we have to find 4 divided by 8 by 3. So this can be written as 4 by 1. Now dividend will be as it is. Change the division sign into multiplication and write the reciprocal of the divisor, that is 3 by 8. Now multiply the numerators. 4 3 ja 12 and 8 1 ja 8. You can reduce it into simplest form or divide it and write answer as mixed fraction. 8 1 ja 8, remainder 4 by 8. This can be cancelled out as this. So finally the answer is 1/2. We can cancel out here also to get the same result. In fifth part, the whole number 3 is to be divided by the mixed fraction 2 and 1 by 3. So first of all we reduce the mixed fraction into improper fraction as here. 3 2 is 6 or 1. 7. 7 by 3. Now proceed as we have done in previous parts. 3 into 3 by 7. Here we can assume 1. So the result is 3 3 is 9 by 7 1 is 7. Changing into mixed fraction, it gives 7 1 is 7, 2 by 7. In the last part of the question number 1, we have to divide 5 by this mixed fraction. So first of all, we shall convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction, which gives 25 by 7. Now put the dividend as it is. 5 is 5 by 1. Then change this sign into multiplication and get the reciprocal of this. So reciprocal of 25 by 7 is 7 by 25. We can cancel out here also. 5 1 is 5, then 5 5 is 25. So we get 7 by 25 as the result. Here I have multiplied the numerators and the denominators. Finally, we get the answer as 1 and 255. Now question number 2. Find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. Classify the reciprocal as proper fraction, improper fraction and whole numbers. Here in the first part, fraction is 3 by 7. This is the fraction. We have to find out its reciprocal, which becomes 7 by 3. And now this is an improper fraction. So we write it as improper fraction. यहाँ पर हमें रेसिप्रोकल का क्लासिफिकेशन करना है कि वो प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन है या इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन है या होल नंबर है. In second part, the fraction given is 5 by 8, whose reciprocal will be 8 by 5. And since numerator is greater than the denominator, so it is also an improper fraction. In third part, fraction is 9 by 7, whose reciprocal will be 7 by 9. And since here numerator is less than the denominator, so this is proper fraction. Fourth part, 6 by 5, whose reciprocal will be 5 by 6. This is also a proper fraction. Fifth part, 12 by 7, and whose reciprocal will be 7 by 12. This is also a proper fraction. In sixth part, it is 1 by 8, whose reciprocal is 8 by 1, or you can say that it is 8. So this is a whole number. In seventh part, the fraction is 1 by 11, whose reciprocal is 11 by 1, that is 11. So this is a whole number. In question number 3, a fraction or a mixed fraction is to be divided by a whole number. How? 7 by 3 is to be divided by 2. Clearly 7 by 3 is a fraction and 2 is a whole number. We can write this whole number as 2 by 1. Then put the dividend as it is. Change the sign of division into multiplication and write the reciprocal of the divisor 1 by 2. Now multiply the numerators 7 1 ja 7 divide by the product of denominators 3 2 ja 6, which is 6 1 ja 6, then 1 remainder 6 divisor. This is the answer in mixed fraction. Second part, where 4 by 9 is to be divided by 5. 4 by 9 into 1 by 5. 4 1 ja 4, 9 5 ja 45. 6 by 13 is to be divided by 7, which can be written as this. Further it becomes this and reciprocal of 7 by 1 as 1 by 7. Then multiply the numerators 6 1 ja 6 and multiplication of the denominator. This is the answer. Four and 1 by 3 is to be divided by 3, which can be written as 3 by 1. Changing the mixed fraction into improper fraction, we get 3 4 ja 12 and 1 13 by 3. Then change this sign into multiplication and write the reciprocal of 3 by 1 as 1 by 3. So this problem of division becomes the problem of multiplication. Now multiply the numerators and the denominator separately. 13 1 ja 13, 3 3 ja 9. This is an improper fraction which can be expressed as 9 1 ja 9, then 4 by 9 as mixed fraction. Fifth part, 3 and half is divided by 4. Changing this into improper fraction, 2 3 ja 6 plus 1 7 by 2 into 1 by 4. 7 1 ja 7 by 4 2 ja 8. This is the answer. This is a proper fraction, so cannot be divided. And last, 4 3 by 7 is to be divided by 7. This is a whole number, this is a mixed fraction. Changing this into improper fraction, 7 4 ja 28 and 3 31 by 7. Then into 1 by 7. 31 1 ja 31, 7 7 ja 49. This is the answer. In question number 4, we have to divide a fraction by another fraction. 2 by 5 is to be divided by 1 by 2. Apply the same rule where we have to write dividend as it is. 2 by 5 को वैसे ही रखेंगे. देन डिवीज़न के साइन को मल्टीप्लिकेशन में चेंज करेंगे और डिवाइज़र का रेसिप्रोकल कर देंगे. इस तरीके से ये डिवीज़न की प्रॉब्लम कन्वर्ट होकर के मल्टीप्लिकेशन की प्रॉब्लम में बन जाती है, जहाँ पर हम न्यूमरेटर को न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं और डिनोमिनेटर को डिनोमिनेटर से. इस तरीके से 2 2 जा 4 बाई 5 1 जा 5 इज द रिजल्ट. अगर कैंसिलेशन होता है तो हम कॉमन फैक्टर को कैंसिल भी कर सकते हैं न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में. यहाँ पर कैंसिलेशन नहीं हो रहा है तो यही फाइनल आंसर हो जाएगा. सेकंड पार्ट 4 बाई 9 इज टू बी डिवाइडेड बाई 2 बाई 3. 4/9 को ऐसे ही रखेंगे, इसको इनटू में चेंज करेंगे और इसका रेसिप्रोकल कर देंगे। अब मैं इसमें कैंसिल करके बता रहा हूँ। 3 1 जा 3, 3 3 जा 9, 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4। इस तरीके से हमें यहाँ पर न्यूमरेटर 2 और यहाँ पर न्यूमरेटर 1 मिलता है, जिसका प्रोडक्ट 2 1 जा 2 होगा, जबकि डिनोमिनेटर्स में 3 और 1 है तो 3 1 जा 3। तो फाइनली 2/3 आंसर मिलता है। थर्ड पार्ट इज 3/7 इज टू डिवाइड बाई 8/7। 3/7 को ऐसे ही रखना है, इसे इनटू में चेंज करना है, इसका रेसिप्रोकल लिखना है और ये 7 7 कैंसिल हो जा रहा है और देन फाइनली 3 1 जा 3 एंड 8 1 जा 8। Fourth part, where this mixed fraction is to be divided by fraction 3/5। इसको चेंज करेंगे। 3 2 जा 6, 1 7/3। ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन में चेंज हो जाएगा और इसका रेसिप्रोकल होगा। फाइनली 7 5 जा 35 एंड 3 3 जा 9। ये इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन है जिसे हम डिवाइड करके मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में आंसर लिख सकते हैं। 9 3 जा 27, then 8/9। 8 is the remainder। Fifth part, 3/2 is to be divided by 8/3। 2 3 जा 6, 1 7/2 into 3/8। No cancellation, multiplication of numerators gives 21 and multiplication of denominators gives 8 2 ja 16. In mixed fraction it becomes 16 1 ja 16, 5/16. Sixth part, 2/5 is to be divided by mixed fraction 1/2. This is 2/5 divided by 2 1 ja 2, 1 3/2. Now 2/5 into 2/3. Finally 2 2 ja 4, 5 3 ja 15. In seventh part, mixed fraction 3 and 1/5 is to be divided by the mixed fraction 1 2/3. Changing these mixed fractions into improper fraction, we get 5 3 ja 15, 1 16/5. 2 is divided by 3 1 ja 3 and 2 5/3. Now put the dividend as it is and change the sign of division into multiplication and write the reciprocal of the divisor. Then multiply the numerators and denominators separately. This is improper fraction which can be reduced into mixed fraction as 25 1 ja 25. 23 is remainder and 25 is the divisor. In last part of the question, we have to divide 2 1/5 by 1 1/5. 5 2 ja 10, 1 11/5 is to divide by 5 1 ja 5, 1 6/5, which becomes 11/5 into 5/6. These two can be cancelled out, then 11 1 ja 11 upon 6 1 ja 6. In mixed fraction 6 1 ja 6, 5 remainder, 6 divisor. This is the final answer. इस वीडियो में बस इतना ही। उम्मीद है कि ये डिवीज़न ऑफ फ्रैक्शंस आपको समझ में आया होगा। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।